Right here in this video, I'm going to show you how I styled this wig, taking it from this which you see here to this which you see right now. If you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. Let's get right into the video. I washed the hair off camera, washed it, I dried it, and now it's time to style it. I'm going to take out the up part of the hair and clip it away to allow me room to comfortably style the bottom part. I moisturize the hair using my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, and I'm also going to spray my heat protectant spray on the hair before I start coiling it in very small sections. I don't know where the clip of where I spray the heat protectant spray is, but guys, use your heat protectant spray. And then I'm using my 32mm coiling wand to coil this hair. I don't know, for certain reason I just wanted to be lazy. If I wanted to have like the tightest coils, I would have used my 25mm coiling wand, but that one is going to take time. I wanted to use a coiling wand that was going to be a lot faster, so I used the 32mm coiling wand. But if you like this coil pattern, use the 32mm coiling wand. But if you want the smaller, tighter, long-lasting coils, use a 25mm coiling wand. Use a smaller coiling wand and your coils will be tighter and it's going to last a lot longer and will be more bouncy, unlike when you use a coiling wand that is larger. So you see how I coiled the hair. I'm going to cut out a small section of the hair and then comb through it and put the hair in the coiling wand and start to feed the rest of the hair through the left side of the coiling wand and keep on rolling the coiling wand upwards. When you want to coil your hair, you have to find a way to coil it that works easily for you. So what I did here was I took down the second coil I had done to see if I liked the coil pattern, and because that third one I was coiling didn't seem like it was holding the coil, so I wanted to be sure that the hair was actually holding the coil, because hair extensions are different. Some hairs take coils very easily, some doesn't really take coils easily. So I wanted to see how the coils was responding. That was the reason why I loosened this second one to see what it was like, and I realized that it was okay. That's the reason why I clipped it back up there, and then I continued the process of coiling the hair. So that's something you can do. After coiling your hair, you can take down the coil or just look at it and see if you like it. If you don't like it, you can choose to coil it in a different way. So that's just one tip that you can do when you're coiling your hair. And you see how I just feed the hair through the coiling wand support, or do I call it lever, until I get to the end of the hair, and then I roll it upwards. So take your time and coil your hair, and make sure you coil it really well, and work in small sections. If you're watching this video and you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly join the family by clicking on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our channel. Also shop our ebooks, how to start your hair business ebook, hair extensions, and how to test this quality ebook. The links to purchase these ebooks are in the description box, or you can reach out to me if you like to shop these ebooks. Let's say at some point the websites are not reachable anymore, just reach out to me and then I would send the books to you, probably on our Telegram page, because for 2024 I think I'm going to be more on Telegram. I probably will be, it's around 2025 I'll probably be offline most of the time, so I will only be online for people in the Telegram community. But when the Telegram community is ready, I would announce it and let it be known. So I took out the section of the hair around the closure area, applied my moisturizer, sprayed the heat protectant spray, and now I want to start coiling the hair. Take note, the same way I coiled the hair at the bottom part of the wig is the same way I'm also coiling the hair at the up part of the wig. People tend to coil their hair, some people coil their hair in a different coil pattern when it gets to the upper part of the wig, but for this particular tutorial I coiled it the same way, the upward direction. You can choose to coil it in the downward direction depending on how you want the hair to look, but I chose to coil it in the upward direction. So the thing with styling hair is you just have to experiment and decide what look you're going for. Try as many ways as you can and decide which one you're actually going for. There's no set one way of doing things. It's all about doing it the way you like it or the way your client would like it. So life is not just, you don't have to be so rigid. Try as many things as you can, try as many methods or ways as you can, and find which one works best for you. Yeah, so I kept on coiling the hair. I have one more section to walk to coil before we are done with this tutorial. So you see how I just keep on wrapping the hair around the coiling wand and then wrap it up there, hold the hair up there for about a minute, and then take out the coils, pin it up there, and then I'm going to coil the last part of the hair that I haven't coiled right now. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you like it and share it with someone who is also going to get value out of it. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thanks so much for coming by. So yeah, that hair's taking a hit. You can see it's literally steaming hot there. So I took down the coiling wand and I'm going to clip that hair up there. Then I'm going to let the pin sit on the hair for a few hours, let's say like 1 or 2 hours. You can leave the pin on the hair for like 2-3 days or even a week. Better, the coils are going to be so tight. But I needed to take this down because I have to send this hair over to my client like the following day. So I just wanted to just get it over with, film it, and know that I can move on to something else because I still have lots of other weeks to work on. So it's just trying to save time. So after I took down the pin, I'm going to spray a holding spray to help the coils last longer. You know, one thing I realized about the way this hair takes coils is that even after you've coiled it, when you come through it, you'd still see the coil come back. So the holding spray just to help the coils be a little bit stronger, knowing fully well that I used a big coiling one instead of the smaller one that I would normally use when I want my coils to last very, very long when I style it with heat. So after I take down the coils, I use my comb to comb through the hair at the back side to ensure that it looks nice. Even at the front part of the hair, I'm going to comb through the hair to ensure that the hair looks nice as well. So after taking down all the pins, I want to come through the hair, apply my hair wax to style the closure area. Then I spray that holding spray all over the hair. Then I'm just applying the hair wax to the hair around the closure area. Sprayed my heat protectant spray, and I'm using my coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area to ensure that it looks nice. The pattern is clean. The back of the hair where the wave starts from is covered, and everything just looks really, really nice. Then I'll know that I'm done with the styling process. Yes. So that's how it is. It takes time, but it's usually worth it when you're done with the entire process and you're pleased with the final result. Yes, so that's how we went from this right here to this which you see here. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Remember, be bold, have courage, positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out our ebooks. They are available on Amazon and on my website. Bye, love.